Hello, this is Junhyun Lee speaking for explaining molecular formula writing. Firstly, if you do not know what molecular compound is, it is compound between nonmetals and nonmetals bonded through covalent bonding. We're going to learn how to write formulas for molecular compounds today. When writing the formula, the element with lesser electronegativity is at the first part of the formula, and the element with higher electronegativity is at the second part of the formula, like carbon tetrafluoride, which fluoride has 4.0 electronegativity and carbon has 2.5 electronegativity. So carbon is placed first compared to fluoride. Unlike ionic compounds formulas, molecular compounds formula have prefixes like mono, di, tri, and etc. as shown here. There's many more also. The prefixes in molecular compounds are present in both the first element and the second element of the formula. For the first element, prefix is used for all times except the prefix is omitted when there is only one atom for the first element. For the second element, the prefix is used at all times even when there is only one atom for the second element. For example, carbon monoxide is not called monocarbon monoxide. For the second element, there is also a suffix. Suffix of "ide" is attached to the second element, like oxide for oxygen and fluoride for fluorine. We're going to practice and apply what I have said. First, we're going to name the molecular compounds. We have arsenic, 2, and fluorine, 5. Since there are 2 arsenic atoms, our first part of the name is going to be di-arsenic. And since there are 5 fluorine atoms, our second part of the name is going to be pentafluoride. Don't forget to put "ide" at the end of the formula. Next, we're going to turn 3 molecular compounds' name to molecular formula. First, we have phosphorus triiodide. Since there is no prefix on the first element, we know that there is only one phosphorus atom. There is tri on the iodide, so according to our chart, we know that there's 3 iodine atoms. Next up is sulfur dioxide. Like the last one, because the first element does not have prefix, we know that there's only one sulfur atom. And because of the dye on oxide, we know from the chart that dye is 2. And then oxide is oxygen. So we know that there is 2 oxygens. So it becomes SO2. Our last one to practice will be diboron hexahydride. The first element tells us that it has prefix of di, which means that there are 2 boron atoms. And then second, hydride might look confusing, but it is just hydrogen plus the suffix of "ide". So it is just hydrogen. And since there's hexa in front, hexa means 6 according to our chart. So there will be 6 hydrogen atoms. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching. Bye.